Yes, we start this video as a Benny video, but it changed. I like it. It's as a headband. Hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple, but it looks gorgeous with this knitting looking. I like it very much. This touchness, this looking, this warm and cozy looking. I like it very much. Hope you like it and you will try that. I give all the details in the video, you know. But my video comes so speedy. Please click the three dots on the right of the screen and slow me down. Thanks a lot for everything. If you have if you want, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. I don't use Instagram, not using always Instagram, but I want to look at it. I promise that. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow I will share it with Benny. Okay, I promise that. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. I will use in my Benny Madame Tricot Paris Favorite Baby multicolor yarn, and this is one ball is 100 grams. It's 3.5 ounces, 230 yards, and 210 meters. 100% of acrylic. The color number is 656 here, you can see. And this is in light category, sizes 3. They recommend us using 3.5 millimeter hook, but I want to use on my Benny 5 millimeter hook. Okay. You can wash in 30 degrees. You can iron in low degrees. Don't put in tumble dryer and not make any bleach on that. Now we will start to make on the braid parts lines. It's so simple. We use here Tunisian crochet on the lines. First of all, you will start with slip knot. Then not make so tight. Okay, your chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These 7 chains about your how many white you want your braid. It's about that. Okay. Skip this very first. Start from the second one. Insert. Grab your yarn and make here a loop. 2. Insert the next one. Grab the yarn. 3. Insert the next one. Grab the yarn. 4. Insert the next one. Grab the yarn. 5. Next one. 6, and next one 7. I have 7 loops on my hook. Then pull through 2, 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 and pull through 2. I have here 1 loop again. Then we will get our loops again, and we will insert. Look at here. Here a loop, you can see that. I insert in the middle of that loop. Look at here. 2 legs. I insert between of that. 1 here, but look at that. 1 and 2. Insert the middle of 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is last one, 7. Pull through 2, 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 and pull through 2. Always keep repeat as same as. Look at that. Here a loop. This is 2 legs. I insert between of that. The second one, insert the middle of here. The third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, and the 7th. I have 7 loops. Pull through 2, 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 and pull through 2. It looks knitting here. Always here a loop you can see. Insert the middle of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. You can see these loops. Okay, here. Insert the middle of that. Here loop, insert middle. Here, insert middle. Here, insert middle. Here, insert middle. And don't forget the last one here. Okay, you will always complete 7 loops, then pull through 2. I will show you one more time. Here, in the middle. Next, look at that. This is a loop. Insert the between of them. This is a loop. Insert the between of them. This is a loop. Insert here. This is a loop. Insert here. And here, last one. Look at that. Here, only looking here, one loop. Don't forget it. Grab your yarn. You have 7 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 steps. Look at that. Always insert middle of these loops. You will keep repeat until you will have, if you want to make it for an adult, you need nearly 58-60 centimeter this line, and 3 times you will prepare these lines. Okay. 3 pieces I have. I have 58 centimeter, 3 lines. If you want to make it for a child, you need, for example, 48-50 centimeter or 52. Okay, it's about that. Then you will prepare these 3 lines. Then you will put these 3 lines together like that. 2 of them back side, 1 of them on the front side. We will join these 3 pieces together. I want to join it with single crochet. I put them together and I will insert my marker like that. Here I will hold it. Then make a slip knot. Then insert here the first stitch and make here a single crochet. Then hide these tails too, or we will hide them later. Insert the next stitch here. The third one here. Now insert the first and the second together. 4, 5, 6, here 7. Then insert this. Also you can join them with sewing. It's your choice. Three and 4, 5 here, 6, and the last one 7. We join 3 pieces together, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Cut the yarn. Now we will start to braid it. Put here. Now we need to join these 3 pieces together again here. Now I will get this marker to this side, put 2 of them back side, 1 of them front side. Here insert, here. Yes. Again, make a slip knot. Insert the first one. Make single crochet 1, 2, here 3, and you come to 4th one, take together 4, 5, here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the last one 14. 14 stitches we will have. Then chain 1 and cut our yarn. Okay, the braid part is ready. It's so simple, don't you think? Also, you can join 2 sides and you can use it as a headband. We will change it to the Benny, but we can use it as headband. Turn it to the back side. Put the front sides together and we will start to join 2 sides. Make slip knot again. Then insert the first one, and the first one both loops I take and make here single crochet. Then first piece front, the second piece back loop I take and make single. Front loop, back loop, single. Front loop, back loop, single. Also you can join it with a slip stitch, it's your choice. You can join it with sewing, it's your choice. You will make which type you want. But it's so simple. When you come to the last stitch here, take the both loops, get here, and take the both loops and join with a single crochet again. Chain one and cut our yarn again. I will tie this. Also, you can use this as a headband. I said it again, I love it. This is the back side and this is joining point, not so bad. I will take off this marker here. It's so gorgeous and so simple. Now, on the second video, I will change it to the Benny. I want to show you how you can make this headband, also a Benny accessory. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple and so beautiful.